In this part of the world where I come from, Friday is always the best day of the week for preponderance of people here. And the reason for that is very simple. Friday is the culmination of all the hustling and bustling of the week that ushers us into the weekend. And we all know what happens on weekends here in Nigeria. It is that moment where people fabulously dressed to attend different social events, and this very weekend it's not going to be an exception to that rule, general rule to be precise. And what we intend to do in this video is that we are going to present you with different shades of styles that cut across physical appearance, that cut across age, and so on. We are carrying everyone along in this very video. Just sit back, relax, enjoy this lovely video from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will find something that you will love. Regardless of your age, you are covered in this very video. Just enjoy this video, and when you do, don't let it be for your eyes alone. Endeavor to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. We cannot also but appreciate those behind these concepts. I mean, the fashion designers, highly resourceful, creative fashion designers who are behind these lovely styles you are seeing really by on your screen. Big up to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. Also, subscribe if you are new to this platform. I mean, that broad spectrum where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime a lovely video like this is uploaded on this platform. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a fun-filled weekend, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you. watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.